How'd you get dragged out into this storm, matey?
The water just swept me away. Seahorses aren't very good swimmers. We pretty much go where the water takes us.
You can come back to the Octopod and rest until the storm is over.
But we need to find Sunny. The water pulled him away too, and I'm really worried. He's about to have our babies.
In that case, we'd best find him before he... What did you say?
Sunny is about to give birth to our babies. I only hope he's okay.
But daddies don't have babies. Mums do. I mean, don't they?
Not when you're a seahorse.
Daddy seahorses carry babies in a special pouch until they're ready to be born.
Well, I'll be a sea monkey's uncle.
Janice, on my honour as an Octonaut, we'll find Sunny and make sure he's safe and sound. Barnacles to Shellington and Dashy.
Here, Captain.
Go ahead, Captain.
We need to find out which way the storm is headed and fast, because a seahorse has been swept along with it.
Aye, sir. Leave it to us.
Got it! Captain, the storm is moving over the reef and then past some big rock formations.
We'll send you a map of it right now.
Good work, Octonauts. We'll search the reef first.
Do you see him?
Not yet.
We'll check the rocks next.
Look out!
What if we can't find him?
Don't worry, we won't give up.
We still need to search that kelp forest up ahead. We don't want to get the guppy stuck in this kelp, so we'll get out and search for Sunny. Sunny!
Are you here, matey?
Sunny!
Sunny!
At least the storm is finally calming down.
But where's Sunny? I guess we'll never find him.
Ah, look! A seahorse!
Excuse me, are you Janice?
Who, me? No, I'm Kwazii, and I'm not a seahorse, I'm
Janice. Janice! Thank goodness you found us. Sunny is about to give birth. You're just in time.
Oh, where is he?
Please take us to him now. I'm a medic. I can help.
Over there, near that seaweed.
Come on, Sunny. Oh.
Congratulations, Janice. It's a boy. And a girl.
Oh, my.
And another girl. And a boy. And a boy. And another girl. And a boy. And another girl.
Did you fall into that hole, little eel?
Yes, I did. If there's a hole in the ground, I'll be the one eel who falls into it. So, thanks very much for getting me out, but I really have to be on my way. Oh, ow, ouch! Oh, my tail hurts. I can't move.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. My friends are getting farther and farther away, and now my tail's hurt. I can't even wiggle. I'll never catch up to my friends like this.
We can help you.
Really?
Of course, we are the Octonauts.
What seems to be the trouble?
It's my tail. It hurts so much I can't move.
You need a bandage.
That was fast. It feels better already. Thanks.
You're welcome.
And now I've really got to get going.
You need to rest for a while.
Oh, I can't rest. Must keep moving. Gotta catch up to me friends.
Captain, he's not strong enough to make a long swim up the river. I'm afraid he'll never make it to the lake on his own.
We'll make sure he's not left behind.
Oh, I may need a little help getting back in the water.
We'll give you more than a little help.
Aye, we'll take you all the way to the lake.
Oh, thanks.
It won't be easy, but we'll swim up the river just like the eels and make sure our friend gets to the lake safe and sound.
Aye, aye,
Ready.
Captain.
Let's go.
Oh, and one more thing. We'll need the smallest life belt we've got. Octonauts, let's do this. That water's too rough to swim over, and those rocks are too high. This will take some teamwork. Think you can get this to the top, Kwazii?
No problem, Captain. Got it. Grab a hold.
Let's go.
A cave.
We're going through.
We're really, really close now. All we have to do is swim through that.
It's just a small bruise. If you stay off the claw for a day or two, it'll start to feel much better.
Oh, thanks, Peso.
Who's next? Wow, what pretty little fish. What kind are you?
Oh, these are Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apwata.
Humununu kukupupu wata?
No, Humu Humu Nuku Nuku Apwata. It's their Hawaiian name. Repeat after me. Humu Humu
Humu humu,
Nuku Nuku
nuku nuku,
Apwa
apwa,
Ah.
ah.
That's it. Now, just put it all together.
Humu kukupupu nu wa ah.
Excuse me. Why don't you just call us Humu Humus for short?
Oh, righto. Humu humu, achoo!
Oh, oh.
It's okay, I only sneezed.
Humu Humus get scared very easily, Peso. We need to be calm and quiet.
Hello, my name's Peso.
And I'm Shellington.
Aloha. My name's Hank.
Aloha, Hank. What can we do for you today?
We're here for a checkup.
All right. Just open wide and say ah.
There's Peso and Shellington. I'll show them a few of my moves. Avast, mateys! Yeehaw!
A shark! Quick, hide, chaps!
No, that's not a shark. It's just my friend, Kwazii. Oh no, I forgot to close the octo hatch.
Dashi, what's going on?
Some kind of little fish are swimming into the Octopod, Captain, and they're getting inside everything.
Oh!
Kip, we've got a fish in the toilet.
Yeah, sharky. Follow me this way.
Good work, Kwazii! And flick!
I feel so calm.
Do you still want to eat us?
Why would I want to eat you? I just want to be your friend.
Captain, he's in a trance. Calm as a clam.
Time for the next part of the plan.
That kind of tickles. Good for a ride.
Okay, the shark is calm, he's moving, and he's breathing.
Now I can bandage his fin.
Be careful, Peso, and quick. The shark won't be calm for long.
Righto, Peso. Nice and steady.
Ooh, a wee penguin.
I'm here to bandage your fin.
That tickles, pal.
Uh-oh, I didn't know you were ticklish.
Oh, man.
Whoa, steady. Just have to get down to the fin. Okay, I think this calls for a super speedy triple loop around the shark fin wrap.
Hurry, Peso. He could come out of his trance any second.
There. Good as new. How do you feel?
Oh, good. And hungry.
Oh no, you're out of your trance.
Peso!
Flappity flippers.
You saved my life. I should just say thank you, but I'm hungrier than ever.
Aboard, matey!
A cat, a penguin, and a crunchy motor thingy. It's an all-you-can-eat party! Hey, I feel fantastic.
Kwazii, the shark's after us.
No problem. We just need some more speed. Hold on!
Kwazii, keep away from the shark for as long as you can.
Copy that, Captain!
I've got an idea. Tunip, come in. I need an extra large supply of fish biscuits.
We could go around like this forever. Or not.
Oh no, the battery is low.
Now we really have to shake this shark.
Just hold him off a little longer, Kwazii.
Aye, Captain. Now's our chance. Uncle Kwazii's getting you out of here. Ouch! Yow! Captain, a rope!
Puppy! He's going through the sponge wall! That must have really hurt.
We can't let him reach the stomach.
Phew! Hold on, Puffy!
We have to get him back into water fast.
The whale shark doesn't like Puffy's sharp spike digging into him. I can't quite reach his tail.
You can if you hold on to me.
Gotcha!
Earthquake! Peso, activate fish pack.
Go! Captain! Phew.
Sorry we can't stay for lunch.
Where'd they go? Yeah. Follow the krill where you will. You'll never shake me.
And strange whispery noises too, just like in your story.
Aye, matey.
You don't think there's a sea ghost down here, do you?
Ah, this is too spooky for me.
Ugh, slime. Those noises sound like they're coming from over there. I'm going in for a closer look.
Come in, Peso.
Yes, Captain.
Peso, we've got you and Kwazii on the radar. We'll keep an eye on you from here.
Thanks, Captain. We found a shipwreck, and strange noises seem to be coming from inside. It could be the hurt creature. Over and out. It's my duty to help no matter what. There's no such thing as sea ghosts. Hello? Is there anybody in here? Kwazii? Is that you? You're not a sea ghost. You're an anglerfish.
Thank goodness someone heard me. I've got this pain in my lantern. Can you help?
That's what I'm here for. Looks like you've twisted this. Sorry, what was that? There's nothing to worry about. This won't hurt. Now to get you a sticker. Thank you. Hold on. Flappity flippers!
Peso!
Oh, you don't want to go in there, boy?
I'm coming for you, matey! Peso! Hey, oh. Peso's medical bag. He would never leave this lying about. There's that noise again. Captain, I found Peso's bag, but Peso's nowhere to be seen.
Well, according to the radar, he should be nearby.
Yow!
That's it, Kwazii. Keep going.
Kwazii, there's something else aboard the shipwreck.
Whatever it is, it's heading straight for you.
Come and get me!
I'm stuck. The anchor is breaking free. Oh, if it falls, I will be...
Don't worry, matey. I'll get you free. Me paws are so cold, I can barely feel them to get a good grip.
Put them near our heads.
So 'twas you causing that warm water I felt before. You are magical.
No, we're just regular swordfish, but we can heat up our eyes. It helps us to see better in the dark waters.
It's working. Me paws are getting warmer. Now let's get you out of there.
Kwazii!
Captain!
Grab hold of the tow line.
Phew.
There we go.
Your sword is bruised. You need a bandage. Good as new.
Oh, thank you, my friend.
And thank you for saving our fellow fish's life.
'Twas nothing.
You're as brave as a swordfish, and not bad with a sword either.
Anything we can do in return, you just let us know.
Ah, All I want is what I came here for. The sword of the Pirate King.
Huh?
You must have seen it. It's here somewhere. X marks the spot.
What is an X?
What is a mark?
What is a spurt?
You swordfish aren't the magical guardians the legend told of. So maybe there's no sword of the Pirate King either.
Come on, Kwazii, don't give up now.
Hold on. X marks the spot. Mateys, I'm gonna need your help. The sword of the Pirate King. Wow. If only me granddad could be here to see it. Lionfish! Huh?
Admit it, my lionfish impersonation had you fooled.
Well, I suppose, but only for a second. I don't know how much longer I can keep this up.
Kwazii, in here.
And you're staying there if you know it's good for you.
He's heading back to his home. Kwazii, are you okay in there?
Yes, Captain. Carry on with the plan.
Come in, Peso. Any luck finding the red algae?
Not yet, Captain. It's a bit of a tight squeeze in here.
We'll buy you some more time. On to step 3. Here he comes. Ready, Mortimer?
Ready for the performance of a lifetime, dear boy.
Ah! No! Not sea snakes!
Yes, we are 1, 2, 3 sea snakes. Begone, or we'll bite you inside out. Hiss, hiss, hiss!
Don't overdo it.
I think I'll take another way home.
Excellent, Mortimer. Another 5-star performance.
Thank you.
Well, Peso, any luck?
Captain, I think I see the bottle. But it's stuck.
Oh no, the eel's taking a shortcut. Peso, the eel is coming back. Fast! You've got to get out of there, now!
Almost got it. Yes! Time to skedaddle.
Ah! Trespasser! What are you doing in my home?
Grrr! Peso, grab on!
Phew!
Nice work in there, Peso. Kwazii, mission accomplished. We're on our way to pick you up.
Thanks, Captain. Huh? As for you, Sir Mortimer, don't think you can fool me this time.
I wouldn't do that if I were you, dear boy. Sea snake bites are poisonous.
I know that, but these aren't sea snakes. They're sea snakes! Yow!
Hop on! We've got to get this medicine back to the vegetables.
There you go. You'll be better in no time.
The captain tells me your performance was quite brilliant.
It was. We couldn't have done it without your help, Mortimer.
A mimic octopus is always happy to put on a show. And I have a new impression now to add to my repertoire. You do? Sea snakes, yo!
Not bad.
I have some help.
He must be in the vents. Right, I'm going after him.
Hey, watch it! What's the big idea?
Captain, you did it! Oh no, you were stung. Just rest easy, Captain. Everything will be... Oh dear, what's happening?
Ship's entering the roaring 40s. Very rough water. Need to get through.
No, Captain. You are too weak.
Yes, somebody has to pilot the ship. And that person is you, Peso.
Me?
Peso, use the manual. You can do this.
But Captain...
You've learned 317 ways to bandage an injured fin. You've performed crevectomies in the frozen Arctic.
Those are medic skills, and I've done those things lots of times.
But there was a first time. We're all counting on you.
I have to try. Tunip, keep an eye on my patients. All right, autopilot off. Activate steering wheel and turn on the octolift. Whoa! Captain, we made it to the steering wheel. Uh-oh, big rock. What do I do? It says don't steer, but I have to steer around the rock or we crash.
Keep one hand on the wheel. Use the other to engage the rudder. You can do this, Peso.
Engage rudder. Whoa! Maybe I can do this. I can't do this. What do I do? Rocks and rough waters. It's not in here. What do I do?
You do the one thing that isn't in the manual. Trust yourself.
Trust myself? But I'm a medic. I don't pilot ships. I take care of people. Hold on. I am taking care of people. Everybody on board the Octopod is counting on me. I can do this!
Too big for me to tip over by myself.
Yeah.
But it won't be too big for me and a couple of friends. I'll send out a signal. Yo, Mitch.
You called?
Hey, guys. I need some help tipping over this iceberg. Let's do it.
Always enjoy a little iceberg tipping.
Hold on out there. Ready, guys? 1.
A little more!
2.
A little more!
3.
Yahoo! Thanks for your help. And now I've got to catch up with those sardines.
We'll come along just in case you run into any more trouble. This guy has a habit of crashing into stuff.
No, now we've lost Kwazii and the sardines.
I'm right behind you, mateys. And I brought some friends.
Nice to have you back.
Captain, sardines! They're right under us.
Everyone, follow me.
And there's the sardine who swallowed me key.
I see her too, but we need to keep her in one place so I can remove the key.
Hey, Mitch, could you and your mates blow a humongous bubble net to keep the sardines from getting away?
Of course. Come on, fellas. Bubble net.
There's our sick fish.
Let's get her out of there. Kwazii, on my command, I want you to grab her.
Aye, Captain.
Now!
Don't be afraid. We're here to help with your tummy ache.
What? I like some relief.
Just hold still. I'm going to perform a keyectomy. Just swallow some of these bubbles, then let out a nice big burp. Like this. Oh, pardon me.
Sorry it gave you a tummy ache.
I feel much better. Thanks.